Here is another infamous Lasko 3733. This is the one I got out of the trash earlier this week. The number of these I have found in the trash over the years that work perfectly fine is absolutely ridiculous. In fact, I really can't remember the last time I found one that didn't work. This one's in pretty bad shape. I happen to need some parts from one of these, so I think this one's just going to get parted out. This is embarrassing. I can't believe I did this. I took apart a 90s Air King branded 3733, and so a couple of the things came up and I couldn't finish the project for several days. I went to put it back together today and I discovered I misplaced all the screws. So I need a set of screws, and I can use the switch and the handle from this to fix my childhood 3733 because it needs both. And then, quite frankly, we could just use it under the deck or something without the guards and without the switch because it would serve just fine in that use case. It's in pretty bad shape. The paint's all I don't know what the heck this is called, like pitting or peeled, or actually is that almost looks like glue or something on there, or maybe wax of some kind, like candle wax, I don't know. It looks like it got wet at some point. The motor's pretty wet inside. Definitely was pretty wet. As usual, I'm going to bet that it works. Some chips out of the blade there. Actually, several of the blades have chips out of them. Yeah, it'll be fine for under the deck. Huh. It doesn't work. That's unusual. Cord's working fine, so the fuse is not bad. Huh. That's very odd. This is a dated 2014 to 15, so it's about 10 years old. For a $16 fan, if it lasted 10 years, it's not bad. Well, let me grab some parts off of this that I need. I need a complete set of screws. I hope that the motor screws are the same size. Huh. It looks like the blade was scraping up against the guard for an extended period of time. Oh, and the blade is locked up. What the heck happened to this thing? Good grief. It's like it fell face down while it was running or something. This is all cracked. We'll try to get it going again just for the heck of it. So now I got screws for the other one to put the guards back on. And hopefully these screws are the same. Oh gosh, this is all dented in too. It's supposed to be like that. This thing really took quite the beating at some point. Let's see if these screws will fit. I really hope that they're the same size as the original ones. I can't believe I lost all those screws. I've got to have them somewhere and I just forgot where I put them. Yep, they're the same size. Alright, so we'll use these screws for this fan, and then if I revive this 3733, I'll just grab whatever random screws from the drawer, because I don't really care about the threads in this motor. If we just jam whatever screws in there, it's fine. I don't want to do that to the vintage one. We'll have to wash these screws, they're pretty filthy. Okay, so now I've got a new set of screws, and I've got a good handle, and the switch feels fine. Likely a good handle and a good switch I can use for my vintage 3733 that I've had. We've had in the family since 1999. What I can do is I'll just get, do I have any on here? I can just get some whatever regular, oh, there's a telephone. I can probably even just put something like these screws in here. Because this is only, oops, it's only plastic, it'll pretty much take anything you throw at it. Good enough. Alright, there we go. I'll just do that to hold it in place. And yeah, whatever. I bet we'll get it going again. Bearings are pretty stiff. That's unusual. These are not, I don't see many of these that actually lock up like this. I wonder if it locked up just due to lack of lubrication, or if something got misaligned when it fell, or something fell on it, or whatever it was that happened. Well, we'll try to revive it, and I'll try to find a use case for it. You know, if I can get it to work, I'll throw it under the deck and then use it when we're cleaning up air conditioners and so forth. If not, I got some good parts, I can fix 2 other fans with it.